Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 7th, 2021. We have here in this additional 7 extra Sudokus. The first one, a letter Sudoku. Second one, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have a 3-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So total of 7 extra Sudokus, and the first Sudoku I will solve, I only do 4 of them. The 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku I will do, then a tectonic and a binary puzzle. And the first Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. Number 2908. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but it's not always true. For 3-star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 4 stars, more than 30 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of 5s, I see. So let me start with the 5. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. I'm scanning. We have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Yeah. Yeah. And then let me see. Yeah. Yes, in this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 and a 1 in this big square. So no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 7 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. All right. Then. 1. Two, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 and 8 in this row. So no 9 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 9 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 in this row. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then Yeah. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 9 in those two boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in these two boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 4. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those again. How about those two missing numbers in the first column? The 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and the 6. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Need to mark them again. 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. How about those two numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 6? Again, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. Okay. In the last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, another 1 there, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first. Wait. Yeah. Need to wait. Alright. Not two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 7, 5. 3. We have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 1s are not used. No, here also not used. So I cannot count. Well, now we have 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 number left in the second column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6. Alright. Yeah. Let me see. How about the number 2, 3, and the 9 are missing. 2, 3, and a 9. How about those? 6, 3, and 8. No. How about those 3, 8, 9, 8, 9, and 4. 8, 9, and a 4. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. That means in this column, one number left. Not one number left. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. So only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Alright. Finish in 60 minutes. So I'm faster than the 20 to 30 minutes time limit. So is this a 3 stars? Well, I give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.